senior police officers who are here present. I have listened to your request, Mr. Commissioner, and I want to assure you that we're on the same page on this. The third-party insurance is the minimum level of insurance cover that is required by law. Section 68 of the Insurance Act. And of course, Section 3, 1 and 2 of the Motor Vehicle Third-Party Insurance Act make it mandatory for all vehicle owners to have a minimum of the third-party insurance before they put their vehicles on the road. It's a requirement for roadworthiness of vehicles on Nigerian road. The enforcement of this law has been part of our daily enforcement activities in Nigeria as police. Regrettably, the Nigeria Insurance Association reported that less than 30% of vehicles on Nigerian roads are insured. That's a challenge to us, and I want to assure you that we have taken up that challenge. We are going to increase our efforts with respect to enforcing this law. This law protects all Nigerian citizens from damages and injuries they suffered during road accident. So it is in the interest of all Nigerians that we pay special attention to the enforcement of this law. And I want to assure you that from 1st of February, like you suggested, you are going to see increased efforts in the enforcement of this law. The enforcement of this law has numerous benefits to the citizens. Number one, it ensures that victims of road accidents get the necessary compensation they deserve. It also protects people who become victims of road accidents while traveling in commercial vehicles. There's also the economic benefit of it. It helps to grow our insurance industry in Nigeria. The insurance industry in Nigeria is growing, and they are employing our jobless youths, so we need to support them to also grow. It also encourages responsible driving culture on our roads. When motorists are aware that they will be held responsible for their actions on the road, they tend to behave better. And I quite agree with you that without intensified efforts on enforcement, people will not want to comply. I want to take this opportunity to remind Nigerians that the violation of this section of the law is an offense that is punishable by law with imprisonment or with fine or with both. So I want to encourage all Nigerians to take this seriously, to ensure that they go and get at least third-party insurance cover for their vehicles before they put those vehicles on the road. The full enforcement will commence, like I said, from 1st of February 2025. So I thank you for coming.